In case you're new here, this Chicago family is on a road trip through Kentucky in this stylish Ford EV. We're going old school, no devices. It's all maps and family bonding. But the itinerary is a secret. Only this fortune teller knows their fates. This is Fireside Fortune. That's one way to make an entrance. We're in the middle of Kentucky, and this place rocks, literally.
Hey guys, welcome to Hidden River Cave. Hidden River Cave is in Horse Cave, Kentucky, which is smack dab in the middle of Kentucky.
Yo, it's so dark in here.
Central Kentucky is home to hundreds of miles of cave systems, including the biggest in the world at Mammoth Cave National Park. But today, we're exploring an unusual cave where a subterranean river can be found 100 feet below ground.
Stalactites come down, right? And
yes.
Stalagmites come up.
Tights hold tight to the ceiling. Mites might grow up someday.
This thing's amazing.
You guys are in Sunset Dome. This is one of the largest domed rooms in a cave in the United States. It comes in at 5 acres in size.
Echo! Going into this trip, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be totally honest. I thought Kentucky was the most boring state, and then I came here, and I was like, this is all here in Kentucky? It was astounding.
We might be known for horses, bluegrass, and bourbon, but Kentucky's full of surprises. Wait until you see this next spot.
I've rode down here since I was a kid. You can go from easy to crazy stuff. It just depends on what you want to do.
This is a little too dirty for me.
If you ain't getting dirty, you ain't having fun.
Y'all ready to go?
Yes, sir!
All right, let's hit it.
Go.
For this family, if you need a driver,
I like driving.
That was some of the best driving I've ever seen.
ooh, she gets in and floors it.
I was in so much shock.
It was like Chicago in pothole season.
And we could see her smile through the helmet.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about you, but I did not see that coming. After zipping through the caves all afternoon, we make our way to Bowling Green for the evening, an iconic destination for horsepower lovers of all creeds.
What's you all's favorite memory from this week, from this whole experience?
You know, I love the water slide on the houseboat.
I'm gonna say my favorite memory was the off-roading. That was absolutely amazing.
My favorite memory was watching the three of you all climb the tree because it demonstrated such perseverance.
My favorite memory was seeing how much fun we've had all week together. It was just the most amazing time, and I'm glad we were able to experience this as a family, and I will definitely bring us back here.
Now, call me a softie, but I'll miss these guys when the journey's done. And now, it's time.
Our last fortune teller. So we have 2, 3, 6, or 7. I think I'm gonna go with 7. Wake up as happy campers.
I have never slept outside before except for falling asleep in a beach chair.
Yeah, that is so not the same thing. This should be interesting.